Who in their right mind would want to play Boardwalk over Dome? Oh, you know who would? A camper. A guy with a camping mentality would want to play a long fucking line of sight junk garbage map. That's only good if you're gambling in Atlantic City. Over Dome, a nice close quarters fucking map. If they went to fucking Boardwalk, I would have picked up this $3,800 Asus, threw it at the fucking TV screen. Alright, now we got beat last game, and I'm sure you're going to see the upload of it prior to this game, but by some guys who were just fucking sitting in his fucking corners waiting for you to come out. Now, usually I play good on this fucking map. But like I said, my controller's broke. I ain't played this game in a while. I'm just not that good right now. Usually I get dominant. I didn't get one kill streak last game. No matter. Kill confirmed, motherfucker. And I heard, I can't even hear sound. Because when you're doing this, I got my fucking camera right in front of the speaker, so I got it real turned down, real minimal. But look, I can throw a grenade right when I spawn. Is that nice? What is that? What the fuck's going on here? Where am I at? Oh, is someone behind me? Small team. What the fuck's going on? I'm fucking dominant. Get down. You got on, bitch. You got on, motherfucker. Just sitting in corners waiting for me to come around. Like little bitch boys. Don't even know where they're at. Don't even care. Someone will be waiting around this corner, guaranteed. That's what they do. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, bitch. No, you ain't getting me, bitch. Get out of here, motherfucker. Put that motherfucker down. Go, go! Go! Got my Cobra up. Go out here and do damage now. Yeah, motherfucker! Y'all camping corners like bitches, guess what? It's not gonna help you out none. Get a piece of my magnitude. That's how you play the fucking game right here. That's how you fucking play the game, motherfucker. You play like a fucking animal. Watch this. Watch this, I'll go get his ass. Are you fucking get... Fuck! Put that motherfucker over there. Fuck these clouds. Where the fuck are these nerds? Whatever. We're winning. We're only winning 15 to fucking 13 because these fucking guys can't. Look at this guy going to a fucking camp spot already. Fuck you, little pussy ass motherfucker. Yeah, fuck your advanced UAV. You camp for that bullshit. You ain't see me camp for nothing, motherfucker. Kill my boy. Oh yeah! I hate this fucking game! Fuck you. Fuck you. Thought you was over here camping. You ain't getting me. Oh my god, get him! Get him! Get this motherfucker. We're getting beat by a bunch of fucking campers! I gotta remember to hip fire. Are you fucking kidding me? Look at this fucking pussy! Get beat by a bunch of fucking pussy ass campers. I gotta remember to hip fire this game. I keep... Come on, get out. Oh my god, you fuck people. You know what to do to these fucking people. These fucking people are the fucking joke of Call of Duty. They're the cancer of fucking Call of Duty. I gotta go up here and be a fucking cowardice motherfucker. Oh my god! Will you fucking people help me? Started out on fire. Can't do nothing now. Where the fuck are they? You got on, bitch, didn't you? Oh my god! Look at this fucking pussy! God! Fuck you. God, these guys are fucking pussies. I hate them. I hate them. Oh my god! Look at this! Someone shoot the fucker down! I can't do it all! Oh, that's nice. Oh my god! When you fucking... I got killed by Oingo Boingo? God damn it. do these fucking people play this shitty game in camp? Why? Fuck you, my eye. Hey, you got on, bitch. Oh my God, look at this fucking pussy! Give me that motherfucker. I kill. Oh my God. People, Cali mother, you know what to do. Cancel a fucking Call of Duty. Oh my God! I hate that. I hope he dies. I hope he fucking dies. A fucking piece of shit. Fucking pussy ass motherfucker. Look at him. Paper, you know what to do to that fucking piece of shit motherfucker. Straight social fucking degenerate. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. They're camping, people. This fucking game. You fucking camping pussies. You fucking... The fuck was that? Can't do that. This motherfucker camping over here, motherfucker. Oh my God! Boy, you fucking suck dick, you oh! Oh my God. You fucking oh my I can't do nothing. This fucking Kate Cowley motherfucker. Oh my God, I hope these people fucking die. I swear to God, they suck dick. Look at this bullshit. Whatever! Don't even know what the fuck I'm at. Don't even care. What, people, this game, I can't play it no more. There's too many fucking pussies that play this fucking game. I'm gonna have to go off on them in a lobby. I'm gonna have to go off and be on fucking... You know what to do to these fucking clowns. Look at this fucking put. God, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do, people. Nothing I can do. I can only... Look. Fucking pussy ass motherfucker. Nothing I can do, Pete. I tried everything I can do. Nothing. Look at that gay ass kill streak in there. Fuck you. You got on it, you little bitch. Oh, whatever. I got killed. Cali fucking camping pussy. Cali pussy. Yeah, throw my grenade off the map because I don't know where the fuck I'm at. Disoriented because this game sucks. Cali Grabkowski, you know what to do, people. I can't. This game's ruined now. I hate you. I hope you fucking die. Look at you camping like a bitch. You suck dick. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. Let's see what Cali did. You fucking suck. You fucking pussy ass motherfucker. People, piece of shit motherfucker.